So hi guys, this is Srinivaslu, branch of CSCB section, Ashankara Institute of Science and Technology, Gudu. This is my SC, Software Engineering Tech Presentation video. In this video, we can explain that waterfall model and incremental process model. Waterfall model. In this waterfall model, we can discuss that 5 steps: communication, planning, modeling, construction, deployment. In communication, project initiation, requirements gathering, and scheduling. Planning will be scheduling and modeling will be design. Construction, coding and testing. Deployment, delivery and feedback. We can explain that in required manner. In a software project we taken, then we have first communicate with the others, or communicate with the who required the project. Then planning, what is planning in scheduling and cost and requirements, etc. And next we can modeling. In a modeling we can a small design through the project of the coding and etc. And next construction and coding and testing. We can execute the construction in coding and also through the rectify the bugs or errors, and then be testing at the we manage that the language or project is best do that. Deployment, delivery of the project and feedback of the project and etc. Advantages: in waterfall model we can many advantages. There are very simple project and easy to manage, and each stage is clearly defined. And disadvantages: cannot change the requirements, cannot switchable for complex projects, long runtime projects. It is not support in a heavy projects and heavy projects. Incremental model process. In incremental process we can see that in a bar diagram of software project time and functionality of software features. In a software project time to the how will be features will be increased. In incremental model, delivery of project 1, increment 1, and delivery of project 2, increment 2, and so on. We can delivery of the project will be n time without the errors and satisfaction of the user. Increment n times. In communication, requirement, planning, schedule, modeling of design, construction, coding and testing, deployment, delivery, feedback. We can also see that evaluation process models: iterative, prototype and spiral model. Prototype is in a circle way to rotate the circulation. Quick planning, modeling, quick design, construction, deployment, feedback. Advantages: change of requirements is possible, no concept is missing. Disadvantages: poor documentation, loss of interaction. And also we can see that spiral model. Spiral model is a rotation in a spiral with one part is communication, another with planning, another modeling, and another construction, and another deployment. We can start that the construction to rotate in a spiral model to the who will the user will be satisfaction of the project. There are will be advantages is large scale project, change of requirements of customers will be allowed. Disadvantages: cost, risk. And another we can see that unified process. In unified process we can see that in a circular motion there can be 3 types of different constructions of one step to another. In first, communication, planning, modeling, construction, deployment. In communication and planning will be inception, then planning, modeling will be elaboration, and construction, deployment will be transition. In deployment, release software delivery. There are the phases of inception, elaboration, construction, transition.
Start.
This is we can explain that the models in a software. Okay friends, and thank you to all.